All right, in the month of May in 2024, God gave me a dream. This dream has three different parts to it. There might be four, depending how you look at it. All right, here's the first part of my dream. In this part of my dream, it was a nighttime scene. I was standing on a straight road. There was a female standing right next to me, and she was talking to me. This person knew my name. This person that I saw is somebody you guys wouldn't know. Okay, so when this female was talking to me, I felt like she was going to tempt me, so I walked away from her. When I was walking away, I was headed towards my dad's house. This female, when she was walking away, she walked in a different direction. Alright, so this person's upper right arm, it looked like it was attached to her rib cage. Alright, so most people have a gap between their upper arm and their rib cage. This person didn't have a gap. I didn't see that separation. Instead of seeing a separation, I saw skin. Alright, that was the first part of my dream. Alright, so I don't understand everything I saw in this dream. I'm thinking I saw something that has to do with separation. In this dream, this female went one way and I went another way. I felt like the Holy Spirit led me to the book of Genesis. Genesis chapter 13 verse 9. In that chapter, Abraham and Lot went their different ways. This is what Abraham said to Lot. Is not the whole land before thee? Separate thyself, I pray thee, from me. If thou wilt take the left hand, then I will go to the right. Or if thou depart to the right hand, then I will go to the left. Okay, so here's part 2 of my dream. This was a daytime scene. I saw a shed. The door to the shed was locked with a padlock. I saw a family member try to open this padlock using a bobby pin. Alright, so I'm not too sure if this was a good thing or a bad thing. Like I said, this person's a family member. I saw a policeman. I felt like this policeman tried to open this lock, but he couldn't get it open. This policeman was talking to my parents. Alright, so when he's talking to my parents, he was talking about the lock. He made it sound like it was a special kind of lock. It just wasn't a normal lock. I'm thinking there was another family member around, but I didn't see this person. The reason why I'm saying that is because I saw this person's kid. Alright, so I didn't want the adults to worry about this kid, so I took him inside my dad's house. In my dream, my dad's living room looked different. His furniture and TV were in different locations. I saw 2 females in this living room. One of them left. The other one looked busy. She looked like she was getting ready to go to work. Okay, so in this dream, I wanted to put on some cartoons for this kid. So I started looking for a TV remote control. The TV was already on, and it was turned to a news channel. This female, she kind of helped me with this kid. She kept him from opening a door and going outside. Alright, that's part 2 of my dream. Okay, so here's part 3. Alright, this was a nighttime scene. I was standing outside of my dad's house, and I saw my dad's neighbor's house. His neighbor had his fireplace going. In real life, my dad's neighbor doesn't have a fireplace. Alright, so in this dream, God wanted me to notice the heat that was coming out of this chimney. The little orange dots, they represent the heat. In this dream, I didn't see any sparks. There was some wind, and I felt like this wind was gathering this heat, and it was moving it through a funnel. In this dream, I didn't see any funnel, but I felt like that's what was going on. Okay, so the only reason why I'm saying that there was a funnel is because I'm trying to make this dream understandable. Okay, so in this dream I saw a blue ring of fire. I'm thinking what I saw was a picture, because I don't remember seeing any type of movement. Alright, so this picture, it faded in and it faded out. On the small end of this funnel, I felt like that's where it was the hottest. This heat was close to the ground, and it started a fire. When I saw that fire, I went into my dad's house, and I said something like, "There's a fire outside." 2 family members heard me and went outside to go check on this fire. When I'm in my dad's house, I was going to look for a bucket. I didn't find a bucket. What I found was a large bottle of water. This bottle of water was already open, so some of the water was missing. When I was leaving the house, I felt like I had a good amount of water. Okay, so when I'm back outside, I knew this fire spread because I saw the burnt ground. And I didn't see the fire. It was out when I came back outside. Alright, there was some wind that blew, and it rekindled this fire in certain spots. And this fire just came and went. Alright, that was the end of the dream. Okay, so I wish I could tell you guys a little bit more. But I don't know what God would have me say.